Hello there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaur from Speak Smartly with Kaur. And as you all guys know, by reading the title that about which topic I'm going to talk, that is what is the best way to speak to speak in English or to learn English. So today I'm going to talk about this topic. So watch this video till it ends because it must going to be very helpful. So number one thing, that is, do you guys know that you should know 3000 words to learn English, to speak in English. Okay, if you have 3000 words, then you can speak in English in a very easy way. Okay, and if you have 3000 words, then you know 95% of English. Okay, but you should have 3000 words. And now you guys might be thinking that what kind of 3000 words I should learn or you should learn to speak in English, to learn English. So in this video I'm going to talk about all of those words, that how can you learn those words. Okay, so firstly, what is the best way to learn English? That is, learn English by observing your surrounding. Now you guys might be thinking that how can you observe your surrounding? For example, let me explain it with an examples. Okay, for example, these are leaves. Okay, these are green leaves, and this is a plant of any kind of fruit. Okay, this is the plant of fruit. Okay, and we can say that these are flowers. Okay, these are pink flowers, these are leaves. Okay, this is a plant of guava. This is a plant of guava. I will be plucked guava when they will be grown up. Okay, like I'm talking what I am on what I'm looking at. Okay, this is how you can observe your surrounding in English. And some of you guys might be learning English by taking offline classes, by expensive classes. Okay, and some of you guys might be taking online classes for learning English, for improving their grammar. Okay, like there are many individuals who want to improve their English and they are putting their a lot of efforts, as much efforts they can put, they are putting. But there is a very simple and very good method to learn English, that is, just observe your surrounding and try to talk about that in English. Okay, like about what kind of words you have about that thing, try to speak about that just in English. Try to make simple sentences as much as you can, and this is how you can improve your English, by just making simple sentences. And firstly, I will just tell you, just start from simple sentences. Try to make simple sentences as much as you can. This is going to work on your, this will be going to work on your English, on your speaking. And now I know that you guys are listening to me and you guys might be understanding that how can you learn English by not taking any kind of boring classes, not by reading any kind of boring books. Just try to speak, try to practice as much as you can, try to observe your surrounding, try to talk about your surrounding in English by just making simple sentences. And this is how you can get grips with English, you can brush up your communication skills. Okay, but you have to practice. Okay, as I am practicing, I am also a learner like you. I'm not saying that I am fluent enough in English, but I can talk about this method and I know about this method. That is why I'm talking in front of the camera. That is why I'm recording myself. That is why I'm sharing this method with all of you guys, that you can learn your English by just sitting at your home, by just observing your surrounding in English. And if you are not taking any kind of classes, okay, but if you are listening to me, okay, right now you are learning something, you are listening to me, and you are observing that, you are observing something by my actions. Okay, you are listening some new words and they are going into your ears. Okay, you are listening that, so you are learning those, okay, by visual context. Okay, you are listening new words which are going into your mind. Okay, now you are getting to know that how can you make simple sentences by just observing your surrounding, by just looking at your surrounding. For example, we can say that those are curtains, they are flying in the air. Okay, just try to talk whether you are making wrong sentences, whether you are making right sentences, but try to speak as much as you can. As you guys can see that I'm also feeling, I'm also fumbling sometime, but I'm speaking, and this matters a lot. Okay, this matters a lot. If you want to improve your English, if you want to escalate it from here to here, if you want to improve it from here to here, then you will have to speak out. You will have to speak as much as you can. Try to speak. Okay, it's going to work on your communication skills. So why can't you speak? If I can speak, why can't you? I just want to tell you one thing, that I have completed all of my studies in Punjabi medium. Okay, and after that, I have started to work on my communication skills in English, and now I am able to speak in English. So if I can able to speak English, why can't you? Okay, I have started to prepare this after my 12th, and I have worked a lot on my communication skills. I have been working on this for 3 years. Now I am able this much that I can speak in front of anyone without feeling hesitate. So if I can, why can't you? You can also. You can do it, but you have to put your efforts. Okay, try to speak in English as much as you can. Okay, and now I'm speaking by just observing my surrounding. Okay, so this is called comprehensible skills. Now you guys might be thinking that what are comprehensible skills. I already told you that observing your surrounding, and after talking about the English, is called comprehensible input. Comprehensible input. So try to speak in English, try to talk about yourself in English, try to talk about your surrounding in English, try to use simple sentences as much as you can, and those sentences are going to work on your communication skills. Okay, but try to improve as much as you can. Try to speak out loud. Okay, because it's going to work on your communication skills, but you have to put your foot forward. You have to. Okay, so try to speak, try to start practicing from today. Don't wait for any perfect day. Now sometimes some guys might thinking that, oh, this is not perfect day, I will start practice from tomorrow. No, perfect day is not gonna come. You have to start from today. You have to start from right now. Okay, so try to start, and I am with you guys. I will be there in this journey with all of you. If you have any inquiry, if you have any question, then just comment me. I'll reply that. Okay, I will definitely reply that, and I will give you, or I will suggest you the right suggestion as much as I can. Okay, but try to start, try to speak. Okay, and by making sentences, by making just simple sentences, you are going to learn 3000 words of English. And when you will learn 3000 words in English, you will be 95% perfect in English. Then you guys might be commenting me that, yes sister, this method is really really helpful. Okay, I have experienced this, I have used this, I have applied this method in my life. That is why I'm talking in front of the camera. Okay, I have experience. That is why I'm talking about this. So, if you want to improve your English like me, then try to start. Thank you. And if you have learned something from this video, then please like it, subscribe my channel and share this video with those kind of learners who really want to improve their English. Thank you.